Community solar provides people with affordable, locally produced, clean energy without installing any panels on their rooftops or charging any upfront fees. 80% of Americans are unable to install traditional solar panels on their homes for various reasons. Maybe their roof isn't eligible, or they live in an apartment and don't have a rooftop. Community solar offers them a solution to receive affordable, clean energy. How does community solar work? When you subscribe to a community solar project, the solar farm feeds clean energy into the local electricity grid. You continue to receive power from your utility as you do today, but as a community solar subscriber, you'll receive credits on your utility bill for the energy generated by the solar farm. This gives you a guaranteed savings on your regular monthly electricity bill. So, what's the catch? The catch is simply that projects like this aren't available everywhere yet. Community solar projects are only available in certain areas and require customer demand to be built. The good news is we are seeing demand grow, and we are starting to offer more and more solar energy projects to communities like yours. Want to see if you qualify for a Solstice community solar project? Give us a call or visit our website today.